Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we discuss about laws of exponent solving power with same exponent. So let's start. Multiplying power with same exponent. 2 raised to power 3 multiply 3 raised to power 3. 2 raised to power 3. In this 2 is base, 3 is exponent. 3 raised to power 3. In this 3 is exponent and 3 is base. So their exponents are same but base are different. To solve this expression, 2 raised to power 3, it is 3 times repeated multiplication of 2. We write it as 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 raised to power 3, it is 3 times repeated multiplication of 3. 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. Now we grouping them. 2 multiply 3, 2 multiply 3, 2 multiply 3 means 3 times 2 and 3 times 3. 2 multiply 3 equal to 6. 2 multiply 3 equal to 6. 2 multiply 3 equal to 6. So we write it as 6 raised to power 3. So we observe that it is the multiplication of base 2 and 3. 2 raised to power 3 multiply 3 raised to power 3. We write it as 2 multiply 3 raised to power 3. 2 multiply 3, it is equal to 6 raised to power 3. Let's we take one more example. 4 raised to power 4 and 3 raised to power 4. Again there are two terms. 4 raised to power 4 and 3 raised to power 4. In this, exponents are same but their base are different. 4 raised to power 4, it is repeated multiplication of 4 into 4 times, and 3 raised to power 4, it is repeated multiplication of 3 in 4 times. So we write it as 4 multiply 4 multiply 4 multiply 4, and again 3 raised to power 4, it is 4 times repeated multiplication of 3. So we write it as 4 multiply 3 multiply 4 multiply 3. We make the grouping of 4 and 3. Multiply 4 and 3. 4 multiply 3, we get answer 12. Multiply again 12. Again 4 multiply 3 equal to 12. Again multiply 4 multiply 3 equal to 12. It is equal to 12 raised to power 4, because 12 is 4 times repeated multiplication. 12 raised to power 4. 4 raised to power 4 multiply 3 raised to power 4. We write it as 4 raised to power 4 3 raised to power 4. It is equal to 4 multiply 3 raised to power 4. It is equal to 4 multiply 3 12 raised to power 4. So from these two examples, we observe that their exponents are same and product of base is same. 2 multiply 3 equal to 6. Product of the base 2 multiply 3 equal to 6 raised to power 3. But their base are different. In this, exponent are same but base is different. So again in these two terms, their exponents are same. Product of the base is same, 12 raised to power 4. In this again 12 raised to power 4, but base is different, 4 and 3. So in general we write them a raised to power m multiply b raised to power m, it is equal to ab raised to power m. In this, a and b are non-zero integers and m is whole number. Now we discuss dividing power with same exponent. 2 raised to power 4 divided by 3 raised to power 4. Again there are two terms. So their exponents are same but base is different. So we write them as 2 raised to power 4 over 3 raised to power 4. We write them as 2 raised to power 4. 4 times repeated multiplication of 2. and 3 raised to power 4, again 4 times repeated multiplication of 3. We also write them as 2 over 3 multiply 2 over 3 multiply 2 over 3 multiply 2 over 3. We write them as 2 over 3 raised to power 4. Let's we take one more example. A raised to power 3 divided by b raised to power 3. We write them as a raised to power 3 over b raised to power 3. So we write them as a raised to power 3 a multiply a multiply a. B raised to power 3 we write them b multiply b multiply b. We also write them a over b multiply a over b multiply a over b. So a over b is 3 times repeated multiplication. So a over b raised to power 3. So in general, a raised to power m divided by b raised to power m equal to a raised to power m over b raised to power m. It is equal to a over b raised to power m. In this, a and b are non-zero integers and m is whole number. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and share my videos. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.